This one looks nice.
I love nuggets.
Nuggets. Okay, let's try this one.
यार nuggets भी different किस्म के होते हैं. I really didn't know that.
Let's taste this one. They're actually well fried.
This one is very crunchy and yummy.
It's very crunchy and juicy.
ये वाले शक्ल में काफी अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
They are somehow in the same shape.
It's crunchy and yummy.
They're pretty dry and just in shape.
इसका टेस्ट थोड़ा पुराना लग रहा है और जूसी भी नहीं है.
And it's crispy too.
It doesn't look that good, but it's actually really yummy.
When you taste it, it has some crispy stuff on it, which makes it sure that it's K&N.
This is different.
I think this one is better.
I think this one is much better than this.
मुझे पता है ये वाले तो K&N's होंगे, पर ये कौन से हैं? Because I really not had these.
Okay, let me guess. This one is K&N's.
Normally I eat K&N's, but this one is much better.
इसका टेस्ट अच्छा है as compared to this.
I guess you all should try Big Bird now.
This one looks more delicious. I like these.
ये मैंने अगली वीडियो के बनाया है और उसने कहा हाथी लगाना.
Can we shut up the door because it's AC कभी कभी चलता है. दुनिया ने मेरी मोहब्बत दौलत से जांची, नसीरुल्लाह न्याजी की कराची. तुमने कर दिया.